Welcome to this video on Field Effect Transistors, or FET. We'll explore the principles, types, and applications of these vital electronic components. FETs are unipolar and voltage operated. Unlike BJTs, which use both majority and minority charge carriers and require current to operate, FETs use exclusively majority carriers and only need voltage to operate. The main parts of an FET are the source, which maps to the BJT emitter, the drain, which maps to the BJT collector, and the gate, which maps to the BJT base. Comparing FETs to BJTs, FETs are voltage-operated, unipolar devices with source, drain, and gate terminals, and feature lower noise levels because they do not rely on minority carriers crossing junctions. FETs boast extremely high input impedance, as they require virtually zero input gate current. This creates massive input resistance, especially in MOSFETs, which can reach up to 10 to the power of 15 ohms. FETs also offer high thermal stability. Unlike BJTs, which suffer from catastrophic thermal runaway due to a positive temperature coefficient, FETs have a negative temperature coefficient at high current levels, making them highly immune to thermal breakdown. FETs are ideal for integrated circuits because they are easy to manufacture, take up less physical space than BJTs, and their low current draw results in better thermal efficiency, allowing for high-density packing of components. The drawbacks of FETs include bandwidth limitations due to internal junction capacitive effects, and they can produce more signal distortion than BJTs, except in specialized small signal scenarios. The FET family tree divides into two main types: the JFET, or Junction Field Effect Transistor, and the MOSFET, or Metal Oxide Semiconductor FET, also known as the insulated gate FET. Both use N-channel or P-channel material variations. Junction FETs operate by reverse biasing the gate-to-source junction, which depletes the channel of charge carriers. Consequently, JFETs operate exclusively in depletion mode. MOSFETs feature a glass-like silicon dioxide or silicon oxide layer, which perfectly insulates the gate from the conductive channel. This insulation creates the extreme input impedance that is key to modern digital electronics. MOSFETs come in two variations: depletion type, which has a physical channel by default and operates in both depletion and enhancement modes, and enhancement type, which has no physical channel by default and requires a specific gate voltage to form one. FET circuits use three standard configurations: common source, common gate, and common drain. These setups directly mirror the common emitter, common base, and common collector configurations of BJTs. In real-world applications, MOSFETs form the foundation of computer electronics, making up logic families like CMOS. FETs also act as voltage variable resistors in analog control applications, such as automatic gain control. The key advantages of FETs are unipolar operation, voltage-controlled gates with massive impedance, high thermal stability, and unmatched scalability, making them the architectural foundation of modern integrated circuits.